So this is the
Plaza Hotel reception. See, it's very wide. The ambience is amazing. It's so clean and refreshing.
no, sa Mabel.
Huh? Meron din dito. Ano to? Mga Swiss. May kiyala pala dito. Ayan o. Look at this. Wow, look at the view. Look at where's the mountain? Ayan o.
Hey guys, so this is their breakfast in the morning. It's really worth it. The stops are really accommodating, and look at that view. There's a really good view outside. It's the Wicklow Mountains. So again, this is in Plaza Hotel, The Mills. Really good breakfast, guys. For $144, it's really worth it. Stops are really good. Thank you for watching.
Buddy. Oh, hello daw. Okay. Ella, do you like your breakfast? Huh? Happy birthday.